In this video, I will show you how to check your website traffic in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my Hostinger Website Builder, and to check your website traffic, click on Website Settings, then go to Analytics. A new window will pop up. As you can see, you can check your traffic overview for the last 3 days, 7 days, or 30 days. Let's go with 30 days. In the last 30 days, I got 390 site sessions and 38 unique visitors. As you can see, this is a graph of sessions over time. In this 13th of July, I got 106 visitors. You can also see your sessions per country. As you can see, Morocco is in the top of this list. I got many visitors from Morocco, which this is a demo site, so all of these visitors coming from Morocco are just me. I also get some random visitors from Google because I published this article. Let's see this article in my blog post. This is the keyword is best hiking jacket for cold weather, and I wrote this article using AI. And after some few days, I got surprised that this article was indexed well, and it started showing in some countries like the US, India, Finland, Saudi Arabia, Belgium. And this is the query: best jacket for hiking in cold weather, hiking jackets for cold weather. That means that Google is friendly with websites made using Hostinger Website Builder, because on my other sites I don't get these results. Let's go back to our tutorial. Analytics, 30 days. After sessions by country, you can also see sessions by device. As you can see, the majority of my websites are coming from desktop. And this is how to check your website visitors in Hostinger Website Builder.